Hey, hi, how you doing? Hope all is good with you. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Dave Garrett, This Vet Cooks. What are we doing today? Well, we got the slow cooker, the small one. We got the small one. But don't worry, we're going to make something huge with that small one. And it's Sunday afternoon and no football in sight, but hey, that's not going to stop us. Let's get to cooking. All right, so you saw the title. So you know what we're making. Slow cooker root beer. Slow cooker root beer chicken wings. That's right. Yeah, we're going to use a whole can of root beer. That's right. This notoriously world famous, infamous root beer. We're going to use the entire can, and we're going to do some slow cooker chicken wings. Now, mind you, the ingredients very simple to put together and real quick. It takes about 2 to 4 hours. Or is it 2 to 4 hours? 3 to 4 hours on slow mode, on the slow temp, which is good. That's what we're going to do, low and slow. And then we're going to broil them just to get them to crisp up there for the last 5 to 8 minutes of the whole thing. So let's get started. Let's put the ingredients. They all go in there. We're just going to dump everything in there, and then we'll go from there. All right, here we go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the last of the liners. Yay! And again, see, in this case we're using the small one, but we're using these big liners, so that all works out. Alright. Just do this, and then we'll push it down. And we'll see where it's not found lacking. Well, it looks good. Alright, not too shabby. Looks good. Alright, let's adjust our lighting here. How about that? Yeah. Oh, sunny day. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take about 1.5 cups of the KRAFT slow simmer mesquite smoked barbecue sauce. It could be any barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's, definitely that's a big A plus if you've ever had that. Anything, and we're going to add some spices to it. Alright, so we're going to get 1.5 cups of the barbecue sauce, and then we're going to do, let's see, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which I think we went way overboard on the cayenne pepper, and, no we didn't, and some brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, but that's at the end, that's when we broil. We're going to do some brown sugar sprinkles over each of the wing. But for now, we're going to lay down our wings, and we're going to salt and pepper them, and so we'll do that now. Alright, so the recipe does call for 4 pounds of chicken wings. We're just a pound shy, but the rest of the spices and all the liquid is going to remain the same. We're not adjusting we're not adjusting any of that. So go ahead and put these in here. All nice and neat, because we're going to have to end up stacking them. There's no way around that. You know what? Alright, little salt and pepper as we go along. Alrighty, now we will add the remainder of the salt and pepper. The higher the better. There we go. Alright, so we'll let that sit there for just a bit. It's not on, I'm just covering it up. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and mix the ingredients. the ingredients. Don't worry, we'll get the root beer in there in just a minute. Alright, so it says to mix 1.5 cups barbecue sauce. So let's get that in there. Alright, 1 cup. And 1.5. Look at that, right on the nose. Alright, here's what I'm concerned with, folks. You saw me dump it all in there. We're like at the 12-ounce mark. Oh, sorry about that. We're at the 12-ounce mark. This says 18 ounces. What's going on? Kraft. That says 18 ounces. How is it exactly 12 ounces right there? See, 18 should be all the way out here. Something's up. Conspiracy. I think so. Alright, so we'll deal with that later. We'll put that in the show and say, hey, what's going on, Kraft? Because, yeah, I mean, there's not much left. Not enough. I mean, look at that. It's turned over. It's just little drops. There's not enough to bring this up to the 18 ounces. So, looks like we got shafted here. Yep, 18 ounces. Net weight, 18 ounces. Oh, unless they mean the whole plastic bottle, then that's different. Then they should at least say that. Alright, so what are we doing? We're mixing together the barbecue sauce, the paprika, the garlic, and the cayenne pepper. So here is the garlic. Oh, yeah, nice. And there's that. Now we're going to give it a little mixy mix, stirry stir, get it all in there. Oh, that does look good. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Oh, that's going to cook very nicely. Alright, so now it says to remove half a cup because we're going to dump all the rest of it in there. So we're going to set half a cup for later. And that half a cup will be when we move it from here to the broiler 4 hours from now. There we go. There's our half a cup, Kraft size half cup. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, so here we go. Nope, still not enough. Just wasn't enough. All right. Kraft. Alrighty. So here we go. We'll pour all of that in. There we go. Pour that in. Get it in there, not just up here at the top. There we go. And 1 can of pepper. Alright, then the whole can. Oh, you see what it's doing? Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Now, mind you, we are in Texas. We could have used the Dr. Pepper. I think I will the next time. But right now we're just going to stay true to the recipe, as we do always, stay true to the recipe. But be on the lookout for a Dr. Pepper version coming real soon, because hey, this is Texas. Alrighty. There we go. And low. And we'll see you in 4 hours. So here we are. We got about 7 minutes to go. And just want to let you know that at about the 2-hour mark, I went ahead and bumped it up. Remember, we had it low. We had it low. We were going to do low for 4 hours, but we bumped up the temperature to the high. Why? It just wasn't looking right. The chicken just wasn't where you would expect it to be at this point. And based on previous recipes, it was not looking that way. So that's okay. That being said, bumped it up, give it a little stir to get everything to settle, and sure enough, now we're almost at the end. Give it a little tap there on the tap on the window there on the glass, and you can see things are looking much better. And all afternoon long, the aroma of the barbecue sauce, the garlic, it's just been throughout the house, so it's been nice. All right, that being said, definitely want to thank you for stopping by. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking, subscribing, following along. Share. You know, let me know if you've done any of these or anything that looks close to what I've done here. Definitely want to hear from you, and definitely want to know that hey, these are cool, or these give you an idea if they inspire you to do something else. Again, doesn't matter. Let me know. Definitely let everybody else know. So don't forget to do that. And again, I want to remind those of you that are new here to don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you're notified when I post another video. All right. And again, thanks everybody who's already done that. All right. Also, veterans, don't forget Veteran Crisis Line. You know, you're hurting, something's not right, something doesn't feel right, you're not too sure which way to go, left, right, up, down, forwards, backwards. It's okay. We've all been there. All of us have been there. And it's okay. Letting you know it's okay. But what's even better is that now there's the Veteran Crisis Line. 988. When they answer, the automated attendant answers, press the number 1. 988, dial it, 988, and press the number 1 when the automated attendant answers. You can also go to the Veterans Crisis Line website and chat with them online. Go with them online, and of course you can always text 838-255. That's 838-255, and you know it's over here. It's over here, so you see it all there. Again, don't hesitate, and it's even in the show notes down below. So, you know, you're in a situation, don't hesitate. Reach out, talk to somebody. They got people there that's what they do. They're going to talk to you and work through the problem, through the situation, and then get to a nice resolution, a good resolution, because they all should be good. So make sure you make that call whenever you find yourself in that situation. That situation being you're just not too sure what to do next, that's the time to call. They'll help out. And again, 988, press the number 1 Veteran Crisis Line. All right, so make the call. Not kidding, make the call. Yeah, you know who you are, make the call. It's okay, you can do it. All right, now everyone else, let's get back to this. Let's wrap this up. We're gonna, well, no, we still got some more things to do, because we're gonna take it out of here now. We're gonna put them on a pan, a sheet, and it's lined with aluminum foil, and we're gonna spray it. All right, so we're gonna lay them all there. And you'll see that here in just a bit, and then we're going to brush on the remaining half cup of sauce, and then we're just going to sprinkle the brown sugar across the top. It's going to be delicious. So, you know, let's change scenes. All right, so I think we got a little extra glare here. Yeah. All right, so time's up. Go ahead and turn this off. We don't even need to leave it on warm. It's off. It's off. It's done. All right, here's the sheet. It's lined with aluminum paper. A little spray, and let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, they look so good. Yeah, look at that. All right, let's hope that they stay on the bone, because it's time to get them out of here. So far, so good. go ahead and put the lid on this, and now we're going to move the camera. It'll zoom in a little bit. Alrighty, so here we go, and now we're just going to go ahead and lay this. Spread this on top. That's it. All right. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle the brown sugar. It did call for 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, which is what we have here. However, we're going to be very generous on this. All right, so maybe 2 tablespoons. All right, now we need to move the camera back so we can get it in here 8 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Here it is. Here's the chicken wing. It looks great. Did add about another 4 minutes to the broil time because the rack was too low. I didn't move it up to the top. So that's okay. So you can work with it. You can work with it. Just keep in mind that if the further away it is from the broiler, well, it's going to give you a little, you're going to have to take a little more time to do it. But either way, it looks great, smells fantastic. Let's give it a tasty taste. Oh my. Yeah. These wings are good. It's very good. Slow cooker, root beer, chicken wings. You don't taste the root beer, but you do taste all the flavors that go with it. Alright, so you do taste the barbecue sauce, unfortunately, but you also taste the brown sugar up on top. There's some nice little coating of that up on top. Could have added more, but it's one of those you live and learn. So again, give it a shot. The recipe's down below. Check it out. Make it yours. We're going to try some with teriyaki and some other stuff later on. So be on the lookout for that. And listen, I'm Dave Guerra, and This Vet Cooks.